Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to customize product page in Wix. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply click on my link in the description down below. So guys, now once you are on Wix, first thing that you will do is simply go to your site. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on edit site. From here guys, just simply go ahead and go to pages and menu on the left side of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see the shop or your shop. And you should be able to see here multiple pages as well for my packages or items. And as you can see, this is all of my product and this is my product page. So guys, when we go ahead and select the category page, we should be able to see here settings. And after that, here, we should be able to see the layout over here. The first one is breadcrumbs. So from here, you should be able to align it whatever you like. It will be this one. And now when we go back, we should be able to change the layout for the header section as well. So it will be depending on us. So from here, you pretty much have a freedom to customize your product page on how it will look. And now when we go back, you can just simply go to product grid as well. And from here, you should be able to see the minimum card width, the products per load. So this will be depending on you guys. So from here, you should be able to see the grid behavior as well, if they are responsive or fixed. So when we zoom in and zoom out, the pictures will adapt. So now when we go back, we should be able to see here the product images as well. So from here, you should be able to customize on how it will look. So guys, just simply go ahead and choose a design that you prefer or that you find aesthetic. And now when we go back, we should be able to see here the product info as well. So you should be able to have here multiple options that you can just simply try out. You should be able to go back and should be able to edit the ribbons as well. So now guys, when we go back, you should have here a design as well. So you should be able to have here multiple options about the design. So guys, this pop-up is very important because this is where you can edit your page design. So that's simply about it. Just simply explore this category page and you should be able to customize your product page. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.